Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, Mr. Maria Cristina Jordan Siga, I am Mr. Purpanga Sensei, also my fellow students. At as you know na may mga activities, and it is an honor to speak to you today. 3 weeks ago, we embarked on a journey together at Negros Occidental Language and Information Technology Center. Our goal was to learn basic of Nihongo. Though the time was short, the experience and lesson gained are invaluable. First, when I learned about this training course, especially when it was in Nihongo, I was very overjoyed because this first time I came here, I expect that there will be a Japanese language here. So, and learning Nihongo means everything to me because Japanese language is my favorite language among everything. Also, going to Japan and have a work there is a dream. But I face a challenge because after I graduate at BGT and being absorbed at my OGT, I'm working and this is the obstacle I face. So in order for that to overcome, I decided to, I request to my fellow workers that I will be studying yoga in the morning and afternoon I will be working. So I've never been let the obstacle stop me because I want this dream to be reached. So after I work, after I study I went at Lacson as a graphic designer until 6. So my time of studying is short because after I work, I also do some stuff in my home. So I only study until 11. And then in the morning, sometimes since I got to go in the middle of the class. But under the guidance of Purpanga Sensei, we learned the basic of Nihongo. We started with simple phrases and gradually built our understanding. Each day, we added new words of vocabulary and learned how to form coherent sentences. It was challenging because some of us don't know that Nihongo and some of us were advanced with this. However, Purpanga Sensei made it possible for us through his dedication and patience to teach us and to appreciate the beauty of Nihongo. And we also tackled the intricacies of Japanese character writing, hiragana and katakana. And hiragana and katakana was like discovering our new parts of ourselves because in each character it has its own story, and with each stroke we connected more deeply with Japanese culture. Writing these characters is not just memorizing their forms or how it sounds like, but also embracing our new way of expression. Our time here has been more than just a language course. We have gained confidence and ability to communicate in Japanese and develop a deeper respect for our rich and diverse culture. We have also built friendship and shared moments that we will remember for a long time. As we conclude this training, let us remember that it's just the beginning of our dream. The foundation we built here will support us and continue to learn and grow. I encourage everyone to keep exploring, embracing, and also practicing our skills and appreciate the beauty of culture and language. Encouragement. Also, thank you for my fellow students. for the camaraderie and hard work, and also thank you for Malitsi for supporting us in this journey. Let us go forward with the same enthusiasm and dedication as we have done. Inasabi,